In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $1,400 or more in a day with a done for you online business that you only have to set up one time. So disclaimer, this is not a get rich quick scheme. I'm not guaranteeing any results. Everything is based on your effort. I've been building this business for over 2 years. I've made thousands of dollars. Now, some people have made more than me. Some people have made less. You can make more than me. You can make less. That's just life. Okay. That's just reality. So if you're new here, I'm Dan. I'm from Michigan. I'm a former Marine. I'm a former monk. And now I help everyday men and women make 6 and 7 figures online without having to work a job. I discovered this business after my company cut my pay. That's when I decided I didn't want to get another job. They gave us a 3 week notice. So they sent me an email. They were like, yeah, we're going to cut your pay. You can stay or you can go. So that's when I decided I didn't want to get another job. You got to understand there's like three fundamental ways to make money. Okay. One way is by being an employee. That is the worst way to make money. Just keep your feelings out of it. Okay. Just logically, it's the worst way to make money because you're exchanging your time for money. Okay. Now, the second way to make money is you're an entrepreneur, you're a business owner, which I'm going to show you how to do today. Okay. That's the best way to make money because you can get instant cash flow. You can make money fast with the business. Okay. And then the third way to make money is you can be an investor. That's also a good way to make money, but that's more of the long game. So they say like money loves speed. Okay. Money loves speed, wealth loves time, and poverty loves indecision. So a lot of people, maybe you're searching for ways to make money online. Maybe you're looking at different things, but you're not making a decision. You got to make a decision. Okay. You got to start something. Like, I don't know. Do you really want to work that job the rest of your life? Do you really want to be overworked and underpaid until the day you die? I sure as hell do not want to be overworked and underpaid until the day I die. That's a nightmare. Okay. Jobs for me are torture. Jobs for me are straight slavery. Okay. But now, I'm just being honest. A lot of people are not honest these days, but be honest with yourself. Like, are you legitimately looking for ways to make money online, or are you open to making money online? Because if you're looking or you're open to making money online, then you are in the right place. So let me show you how like making money online works. I've been building this for over 2 years. I get millionaire mentoring, so I learn from the best. Okay. So I know how business works, right? An offer is the thing you're selling, step number one. So you got to keep this in mind. If you want to make money online, most of the time you got to sell something. Okay. So you have an offer, you have a strategy, you have a system, and you have a strategy. The offer can be the thing you're selling, right? That can be a physical product, a digital product. It can be your product. It can be somebody else's product. It can be an opportunity or a service. Doesn't really matter what it is, but you got to make sure it's something that's in high demand, that people are buying, that people are searching for, something that people want. People want our offer, okay? Because we did $29 million in sales in 10 months. So what's our offer? What do we sell? 5 digital programs in the e-learning industry, which is one of the fastest growing industries in history. You can look it up. It's like $1 billion a day industry. And what I love about this is the fact that we earn 100% profit. You're not splitting your profits with anybody else. You get to keep 100%. This is not MLM. It's not affiliate marketing. I've done those things. I tried so many side hustles before that. And most businesses on average only earn like 10 to 30% profit. Google it. We earn 100%. You see, you're not splitting your profits. It's called master resell rights. You have resell rights to a digital product that you didn't even create yourself. Okay, step number two is a system. This is the cool part. We have a freedom machine. This is what gives you your time back, your life back. Okay, so the freedom machine, the automations, this is how it works. There's a capture page. Okay, you have a link, right? People click on your link, they put their email in. You're going to be building an email list. They watch videos, they get emails from you, they go to your website, they buy from you at any time. This is automated, it's working for you 24/7. And we have a system that we use that has no monthly fees. So you can build your business with no monthly fees. Step three is strategy. The strategy is what you do to attract customers. That's basically marketing and advertising, right? Now, there's 4 ways to get customers, 4 general ways, okay? Like you can do paid ads, you can do warm outreach, you can do cold outreach, or you can do free content, okay? If you have any questions, drop it in the comments and just go to wealthwithdan.com if you want to learn more, by the way. Okay, so those are the 4 ways, right? So we teach you the free content strategies, which means all you got to do is post 3 pieces of content a day to social media, and we teach you how to do that. We teach you how to get your first sale in 7 days. Okay. So we teach you how to post content. A millionaire does. And also you can go live, right? This is like what I do every day. I post content and I go live. I follow up with messages and then I go through training. We're doing a 90-day run. We do these 90-day runs. So every day you get like a 5-minute video from a millionaire mentor helping you step by step build your business. And if you're watching this video, make sure you get started before Monday because every Monday we have live interactive millionaire mentoring that you can attend. And if you can't attend the live call, you can also watch the replay. Okay. So the strategy is the 2-hour workday that we teach. Post 3 pieces of content a day. Shouldn't take you longer than 30 minutes. You can also go live. I like to go live for at least 30 minutes. I go live every day because I like this. I'm fired up about this. I love this business. It's fun for me. I love building businesses and making money. It's fun for me. So I go live every day and I post content every day. Like you got to post content every day, and that's like a non-negotiable. Going live, that's optional. You can also copy and paste free ads. And that's it. Posting content, going live, following up with messages, going through training, 1 to 2 hours a day. That's what we teach. Okay. That's what we teach. So you don't have to grind. You're not working like 40 plus hours a week. You're not working 10 hours a day on your business. 1 to 2 hours around your schedule, 30 minutes here, 30 minutes there. Okay. Wealthwithdan.com. Check it out. If you go to my website, enter your email, check your spam, check your promotions folder for the word blueprint. Okay. And if you check out all the information, if you like it, get started. Get started. As soon as you get started, we can also jump on a Zoom call after you get started, and we can figure out like, so you feel good about this business moving forward. You feel good about your strategy. You feel good about what you're doing. We can jump on a Zoom call if you want to. That's optional. It's up to you. Okay. So check it out. And yeah, also, if you want to join my community, reply to my emails community, and I'll send you a link to my community, because you can also join my free community. I teach you everything I know inside of that community. Right. All right. Now let me share my screen with you. Right. Let me show you what this business looks like, because you're probably curious. Like, you want to know more. You want to see. Let me show you. So let me share my screen. Okay. So here's the automations, right? These are the automations. Like, this is called a capture page. You're going to have your own link. You're going to have your own domain. Like, you go to GoDaddy, we show you how to do this. You get your own domain. My domain is it's wealthwithdan.com. My domain is wealthwithdan.com. I have a few different domains. So sometimes, but it's wealthwithdan.com. Okay. So your domain is, you have a domain, people click on your link. Okay. They're going to go to this page. It's called a capture page. This is pre-built. It's going to look like this. You see, that's me. I'm hanging out in Florida. I love the beach, right? Do you like the beach? Let me know if you like the beach. Okay. I'm hanging out in Florida, right? So you just got to put your picture there. So instead of using my picture, because you're not building my brand, you're building your brand, you just got to put your picture there, and you're going to have your own capture page. We call it a capture page because you're capturing people's emails, right? So they put their email in. Okay. And then after that, they go through the sales funnel. This is the automations, the sales funnel, right? So they're going to watch this video. The video is doing the selling for you. The video is doing the selling, the telling, it's closing the sales. This system is closing sales for you. This is how I was able to make $1,400 in my sleep. You can make anywhere from $100 to $1,400 per sale per day. There's no limit to how many sales you can get. The only limits you have are the ones that are in your own mind, your own imagination. So start thinking bigger. Okay. So they watch this video. There's another video in the emails, and then they go to your website. This is where they can purchase one of the products. Okay. So what is this? What the heck what is this? This is a beginner friendly program to build online income, flexibility, and freedom. Get access to the training, tools, and community support designed to help you launch and grow multiple income paths at your own pace. Okay. You can build this around your life. Okay, so it's a beginner-friendly way to make money online using done-for-you digital products while developing the skills to unlock even more income opportunities, including a global online business. This itself, by reselling these digital products, these programs, this is a global business. You can literally get customers from any part of the world. You just need Wi-Fi, your phone 2 hours a day. You need some kind of payment processor to receive payments like PayPal, Stripe, Square. Like, we show you how to attach it to your website. So it's a global business. We teach you how to build recurring income streams. We teach you monetizing social media, email marketing, and affiliate marketing, how to create your own digital products, UGC, brand deals, TikTok shop monetization, and you become certified in digital marketing. Okay. So we have over 59,000 people in our community. We did $29 million in sales in 10 months. That's important because you want to sell something that's proven to sell. This is proven to sell. Okay. We teach you how to get your first customer in 7 days, how to go from launch to profit in 7 days. There's a training for that. One customer, you're in profit mode. Two customers, you've already made profit. It generally takes businesses like 3 years to get into profit. You only need 2 sales, and we teach you how to get those sales. Okay. Let me just show you the website real quick. If you have any questions, drop in the comments. So we got testimonials on this website. This is pre-built. This website would probably cost you like hundreds or thousands of dollars if you had somebody on like Fiverr make it for you, but it's pre-built, done for you. Okay. So why do people love our program? Beginner friendly, no experience, no problem. 2 hour workflow, work anywhere, your schedule, available in English and Spanish, global opportunity, simple steps and tools, no tech overwhelm. Keep every dollar you make up to $1,400 per sale, which means $1,400 per sale, 72 customers, 100K, which is only 6 customers a month. Believe it, achieve it. Believe it, take action, achieve it. If you believe it, you can achieve it. So believe in yourself. Okay. Learn how to attract daily paid customers. Okay. You're not in this alone. Okay. You're not doing this by yourself. You got community support. I'm going to help you. The community is going to help you. So you're in business for yourself, but you're not in business by yourself. We have millionaire mentoring every Monday, live interactive mentoring. We have bonus trainings. We have guest speakers. We have 90-day runs to help you make 30K in 90 days. Literally everything you need to be successful is here. Here's your bio section. That's me in the Bahamas. If you can tell, I love the beach. I love the freaking beach. I love the beach so much. Okay. Do you love the beach? I don't know. Drop it in the comments. So you just got to put your bio here, your little picture here, and then you're good to go. Okay. So you're going to learn how to be your own, you're going to learn how to be an entrepreneur. You're going to be building your brand. You're going to be building a business, learning high income skills. This is perfect for you if you want to make extra income. You want financial security outside of a job. Maybe your job doesn't provide that. You want to work anywhere just using your phone or laptop. You want a reliable income stream because retirement's around the corner. You want something that is flexible and family friendly. You've tried other opportunities like me before and you failed, and you're looking to see real results this time. You want something step by step, proven. Okay, real stories from people, more testimonials. We teach you how to use AI like ChatGPT, Claude, others like tools and softwares to help you build your business. Like AI will save you so much time, and AI is like you got to learn AI. Okay, it's not going anywhere. The people that learn AI are they're going to make more money than the people that don't. Okay, and like this is what sets us apart. You get certified in digital marketing. You get to keep 100% profit, and then the business is a global business. You can get customers from any part of the world, English and in Spanish. Okay, and yeah, and this shows you what you're going to learn inside of the program because we sell 5 programs. So you're going to learn like there's 6 phases: CEO mindset. Phase 2, get attention, build awareness, what to post every day. Phase 3, engagement, build trust and relationships. Okay, simple ways to build trust without oversharing your whole life. Phase 4, conversion, turn engagement to income. How to invite people to your offer with confidence. Phase 5, leveraging AI online made easy. How to create content in minutes, not hours. Phase 6, monetize, scale your business. How to add additional income streams without starting over. Simple ways to scale what's already working. Okay, that's what in this video. It also shows you more about what you're going to learn. Okay, and then this is what we sell: 5 digital programs. Okay, so they sell for 100, 300, 600, 900, and 1400. And if you want to do this business, you purchase one of the programs, one-time investment, just like I also invested. I went with the top, the 1400, because that's the best. If you get the 1400, you get everything's included. Okay, you get and you can only earn at the level you're at and below. So if you're at the $1,400 level, you can earn at that level and below. But let's say you're at the $100 level, you can only earn at that level. Okay, so you want to start at the highest level possible, but you can always upgrade later. So you purchase a program and then you pay your website fee, no monthly fees. Once you purchase your program, you're going to get instant access to everything. Okay, and more testimonials, more, and you get bonuses, thousands of dollars worth of bonuses. Like our community bonus, millionaire mentoring for free. Like a lot of millionaires, they charge thousands of dollars for coaching and mentoring. You get it for free inside of our community. You get all these bonus trainings, like how to create your own community, how to do faceless marketing, how to create your own digital products and market those, things like that. And yep, and the frequently asked questions. There you go. Okay, so there you go. If you have questions, drop in the comments. Now let me show you inside of our community. So we have our community here. Let me show you proof that people are making money. Okay, we have over 60,000 people in our community. When I started, we only had 9,000. Now we have over 60,000. Massive growth. Okay, she made her sale, $100 sale while getting ready for bed. Jessica, if she can do it, you can do it. If she can do it, you can do it. Okay, she made $897 yesterday, 900 today. That's like $1,700 she's made in the past day. Okay, if she can do it, you can do it. You got to believe in yourself. Okay, believe in yourself. Let's find another one. Okay, started my day with 1,400 and out to go and hug trees. Okay, she's going to hug trees apparently. She likes to hug trees. Okay, she made 1,700 in the past 3 days. 1,400, one sale, 1,400. Boom. That's how it's done. Look at all these sales people are having. Nina, $900. Okay, I'm a grateful mom. I made 900 from home on a weekend. So we got men, women building this business, all kinds of people, all ages, all backgrounds. Doesn't really matter. Mindy made $300. Okay, boom. $100 came in for Stephanie. Look at all these sales left and right. If they can do it, you can do it. Okay. If they can do it, I can do it. If they can do it, you can do it. Okay. You just got to believe in yourself. Believe it, achieve it. Believe it, take action, achieve it. We have so many testimonials. Like this is one page. There's 30 posts per page. We have over 35,000 posts, different wins. People post whatever they want to post, you know. Some people post money wins, some people post whatever. It's up to them. So in the classroom, we have more bonus trainings, recorded trainings you can watch, bonus trainings here. Okay. And oh, hold on. All right. And yep, that's it. And then you can see calendar, live events we got going on, and we got a map that shows you we got people from all over the world. So that's it. So all you got to do is get started, set up your business, and you just got to follow it to our workday post content. For example, I post content on like multiple channels, different social media channels. Choose your favorite or favorites and just post away. Post and get rich, baby. That's how we do it here. So I create long form videos. You can see like over 10 minutes. I create short form videos where I'm just talking or putting words on the screen. We teach you how to do this stuff. I do lives. My lives are recorded. You can watch my live. You can see how I go live and how I do this. Playlists. I do playlists. Like we also teach you how to like we have training for like YouTube and everything. Here's like on my YouTube page, I'll do a mixture of like, value where I'm just giving people inspiration, motivation, value posts. And then I'll do like, business posts and combination of both. Okay. So this is a combination of value, inspiration, motivation, and business. Okay. That's basically what I do. You can check it out. And my content's a work in progress. I looked at my content. I'm like, yeah, I can do better, but it's a work, like we learn and we earn as we go. Okay. But while you're learning, you can still have $1,400 days. Like I've made $1,400 in my sleep, even though I'm not perfect yet. Like, I haven't mastered digital marketing yet by any means, but I've still made thousands of dollars, multiple five figures just because I take action. You just got to take action, be consistent, get started, be consistent, and keep showing up until you hit your income goals. Like I want to make millions of dollars so I can travel the world, travel the world, buy what I want to buy a house, buy the car, travel the world, live my best life. What about you? Like, what do you want? Like, how much money do you want? Like, I want money because let the universe know, let God know what you want. Write it down on a piece of paper. Okay. Law of attraction, manifestation, right? At least you got to know what you want, right? And then you keep taking action until you get what you want. And this is a tool to help you make money so you can actually get what you want and feel good about doing it. Okay. So like this video, share this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Have a great day. God bless. Thank you for watching. Peace.